Hello everybody, welcome to my class today. In my last class I have started partial fraction and today I will go with the chapter with this section. So let me solve today integration x plus 1 dx divided by x into 1 plus x e to the power x whole square. Okay, let the integral be I. Now I am multiplying both n and b by e to the power x. You have to write here multiplying both n and b by e to the power x. Now let 1 plus x e to the power x be z. Then taking differential 1 into the power x into e to the power x dx equals to dz 1 plus x dx equals to dz. So the numerator becomes dz, this becomes z minus 1 and this is z square. Okay. Now let us consider the fraction 1 by z minus 1 into z square. This can be decomposed as a by z, b by z square, c by z minus 1. Now multiplying both sides by the denominator, we get 1 identically equal to a z into z minus 1 b into z minus 1 plus c z square. Now if we take z equals to 1, then we get 1 is equals to this vanishes, this is c. So you get c equals to 1. Next, for z equals to 0, you get 1 is equals to vanishes, this minus v, this also vanishes. So you get b equals to minus 1. Next, let z equals to 2. Then we get 1 is equals to 2a plus b plus 4c. Then substitute the values of b and c. You get 2a equals to 1 minus b, that is plus 1, minus 4c, that is minus 4, minus 2, therefore a equals to minus 1. So after getting the values of the constant, you have to substitute the values here. So you get minus 1 by z, b is also minus 1, minus 1 by z square, and this is 1 by z minus 1. So now your I will be minus 1 by z minus 1 by z square plus 1 by z minus 1 dz. So this is readily integrable. This will be minus ln of mod z to the minus 1 by z, that is plus 1 by z plus ln of z minus 1 plus c. You can simplify them, z minus 1 by z plus 1 1 by z plus c. Now just substitute z. What is z? Z was 1 plus x e to the power x. So z minus 1 will be x e to the power x. 1 plus x e to the power x plus 1 by 1 plus x e to the power x plus c. This will be the answer. Okay. Next question. Integration sin x by sin 4x. This is an important question. May appear in your exam paper. So this is I. Sin x by this is 2 sin 2x cos 2x. If we again split sin 2x, then we get 4 sin x cos x cos 2x dx. Sin x cancelled. Then we get dx by 4 cos x, and cos 2x can be written 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now I am multiplying both n and d by cos x. 1 by 4 written outside. This is cos square x. Cos square x means 1 minus sin square x into 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now let sin x equals to z. That implies cos x dx is dz. So your integral becomes 1 by 4 dz by 1 minus z square 1 minus 2z square. Now let z square equals to u. Then the fraction becomes 1 by 1 minus u 1 minus 2u. Let this be written as a by 1 minus u b by 1 minus 2u. Now multiplying both sides by the denominator, 1 becomes identically equal to 1 minus 2u b into 1 minus u. For u equals to 1, we get 1 is equals to minus a. This vanishes. That is a equals to minus 1. For u equals to half, 1 equals to 1 minus half, that is b by 2. So b equals to 2. Now let us substitute the values. A is minus 1 and b is 2. Okay, so I am erasing from here. Write your integral as I is equals to 1 by 4 integration minus 1 by 1 minus u was z square plus 2 by 1 minus 2z square, then dz. Okay. Now this becomes minus 1 by 4 integration dz dz by 1 minus z square cancel, then 1 by 4 integration dz by 1 by root 2 whole square minus z square. Now they are readily integrable. Minus 1 by 4 dz by a square minus z square. This will be 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a d of mod of a 1 plus z by 1 minus z. This was first one, and the second one will be 1 by 2a d of mod of 1 by 2 minus z plus c. Now this will be minus 1 by 8 ln of mod of 1 plus, or z was sin x, plus 1 by 4 root 2 1 by 4 root 2 ln of mod of 1 plus root 2z, that is root 2 sin x by 1 minus root 2 sin x plus c. This was our answer. This is an important question. Okay, we have to practice it several times to perform at the exam hall. Next question. Integration tan theta into 1 tan theta plus tan cube theta divided by 1 plus tan cube theta d theta. Let me take tan theta common in the numerator. Tan theta into 1 plus tan square theta d theta divided by 1 plus tan cube theta. Now it becomes tan theta into sec square theta d theta 1 plus tan cube theta. This is dot. Okay. Now take tan theta as z. Let tan theta equal z, that implies sec square theta d theta is dz. So this becomes z dz by 1 plus z cube. Now this can be written as z dz by 1 plus z 1 minus z plus z square. Now I have to do partial fraction. The fraction is z by 1 plus z into 1 minus z plus z square. Let this be equal to a by 1 plus z. This is irreducible. So we have to write here dz plus c by 1 minus z plus z square. Now multiplying both sides by the denominator, we get z identically equal to a into 1 minus z plus z square, then bz plus c into 1 plus z. For z equals to minus 1, because for z equals to minus 1 this part vanishes, we get the value of a. minus 1 is equals to 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. 3a. So a becomes minus 1 by 3. Next, for z equals to 0. 0 is equals to, this is a, this is c. So c becomes minus a, that is c equals to 1 by 3. After getting a and c, just put z equals to 1. Then 1 is equals to 1 minus 1 1 a, b plus c into 2. 2 into b plus c. That implies a is minus 1/3 plus 1/3 4 by 3. 2 into b plus c. Therefore b equals to 2 by 3 minus c, that is minus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3. So I have got all the three values of the constants. So now we can write the fraction in this way. Right here. A was minus 1/3. B is 1/3 and C is 1/3. So therefore I will be minus 1/3 integration dz by 1 plus z plus 1/3 z plus 1 dz by 1 minus z plus z square. Next, minus 1/3 integration d of 1 plus z by 1 plus z. Its derivative is 2z minus 1. 2z minus 1. Therefore 1 by 6 integration 2z plus 2 minus 1, so plus 3 by z square minus z plus 1 dz. Then minus 1/3 integration d of 1 plus z by 1 plus z. 1 by 6 integration 2z minus 1 dz by z square minus z plus 1, and then half integration dz by z square minus z plus 1. Now I am erasing this part. These are long problem. We must carry at least 4 marks. I equals to minus 1/3 integration d of 1 plus z by 1 plus z plus 1 by 6 d of z square minus z plus 1 z square minus z plus 1, and then plus half integration. Here I can write it as z minus half whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. So here I am writing d of z minus half. Now the total problem is readily integral. Now I am writing the answer. Minus 1/3 ln of mod of 1 plus z plus 1 by 6 ln of mod of z square minus z plus 1 plus half dz by z square plus s square, that is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, 1 by a tan inverse of plus c. Let me change my chalk. So now I can write the final answer as minus 1/3 ln of mod of 1 plus z was tan theta plus 1 by 6 ln of mod of tan square theta minus tan theta plus 1 plus 1 by root 3 tan inverse of 2 tan theta minus 1 by root 3 plus 3. It's a good question, may appear in your exam paper, so you have to practice it a lot of times to make a grip on it. Okay, let us have a short break. After the break I am coming with more problems. Till then, be there.